Hello everyone, Ashanti Titus here with Profit Mode Financial Services. I just wanted to say that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Everyone's situation is unique and different, and so this is just a generic video going over the form that is needed to file in extensions. Once again, reach out to your CPA, accountant, or if you would like for us to assist you, you can reach out to us. But for everyone viewing this video, it's for informational and educational purposes only. So let's get right into it. So if you are looking to file an extension for your 2022 1040 tax return, personal tax return, one of the things you want to do is you want to find the form, the 4868 form. If you click the link in the bio, it's actually going to take you directly to the form. So let's go ahead and take a look at the form. And there's a couple of things that I just wanted to make sure that you all know. Some people have the misconception that the 4868 form is going to actually give them more time to pay their taxes. And in actuality, that is very far from the truth. The IRS would like to have their money in advance, even if you don't file an extension, or they would like to have a payment to go along with their extensions. A lot of times, a lot of people aren't able to pay or they are unaware of how much they owe, so they don't send anything and they file the extension. If you are one of those individuals who don't know how much you owe, or you know exactly how much you owe and you owe a lot and you're not ready to pay, keep in mind that you will be charged a half of 1%, a half of a percent for each and every month, according to this document, that you do not pay. Okay. So what the 4868 form does essentially is it's like a heads up to the IRS to let them know, hey, I need extra time to file my taxes. Okay. That is all that it's doing. It's just giving you extra time to file your taxes. All right. So one of the things is for 2022, you have until October the 17th to get your taxes filed. Okay. You still will have the late payment and penalties, and you will be accruing interest on your tax obligation as long as, you know, it's not filed. But it's very simple form to fill out. For some people, they don't know exactly what their tax liability is, and in that case, you can make an estimate. But the first thing we start out by doing is making sure that we go ahead, because some people are on a regular calendar fiscal year and others may be on a different fiscal year. So if you're on a calendar fiscal year, it's just going to be January through December 2021. It's that simple. Next thing is going to be your name. We'll put Jane Doe. All right, put your address, and you're going to put your city. So let's say your state, and then your zip code. Okay, then you're going to put your social. And then you're also, if you have a spouse that you're going to be filing jointly with, you'll put it here. If you do not, you'll leave it blank. And then you'll put an estimate of about what you think your taxes are going to be. I would definitely, if you're going to be doing this, I want you to check out the video I did where we look at the tax table to get a roundabout estimate of how much you think that you're going to owe for the year. If you are just, clueless, a lot of times some people, they put zero, but if you know that you're going to owe, it's definitely a best practice to put something there and not leave it to zero. But I've seen people who leave it zero. Total payments due, if you had a job and a business, pretty much the payments are going to be that portion on your W-2 where it says federal withheld. If you had multiple W-2s, you would add all those together and put your total payments there. Also, any payments that you made to EFTPS would be added to that amount. Okay, and then you would subtract the lines, and essentially the difference is going to be what the balance due. Then, as you can see right here on the seventh one, the seventh line, how much are you paying? That's what they want to know. And if you aren't paying anything, that'll be zero as well. All right. And for purposes of just to keep this, simple, we'll just do that. And check here if you are out of the country. All right, and check here if you file a 1040-NR and did not receive wages as an employee subject to U.S. income tax withholding. It is that simple. That is your extension. The part that makes it complicated is knowing the estimate of your tax liability. And we have a video kind of giving you some tips, like reference point to where you can get an estimate of roundabout of where you are in your tax liability situation. Okay. And then you would essentially print that out. You would print this out. You would drop this in the mail, but first you would find what state you're in. So we are in Texas. So essentially that form would be mailed right here if we were making a payment. Now, if we were not making a payment, we would send it here. It says if you're not making a payment, the Department of Treasury, Internal Revenue Service Center, Austin, this is where we would send the money here. If you don't have any money, you would send it here. Okay. So find your state. Every state, it has a reference point of exactly where to send it. And I will link this in the description below to make it super easy for you to go ahead and get this done. If you don't want to do it, if you don't have time to do it, or if you just come across this, just literally just reach out to us and we'll assist you with getting that done. Okay. So once again, this form, the 9868, pretty much gives the IRS a heads up, letting them know like, hey, I will not be able to file my taxes on time. However, I do plan on filing them. I just need, if you could give me some more time, and they will give you until October the 17th, 2022 to get your taxes done for this year. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, definitely share, like, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so we can continue to help entrepreneurs on this journey to making sure that they are profitable, they have their taxes in line, and investments for the future and any money-making opportunities. This is what this channel is all about. It's about helping you to make sure that your business and yourself, that you have everything, that you're learning as you go. All right. So until next time, stay profitable and stay great. Bye.